So I've completed placing one single crochet all around on both the pieces, and from one piece I fastened off the yarn. I have left the other piece of yarn unfastened, so I'm going to work with this now. We need to make the side join like this. To make this side join, we are going to use half double crochets worked in the third loop. To begin, place both the pieces one on top of the other such that the back sides are facing each other. Make 20 chains. So I have made 20 chains. Now slip stitch to the cornermost SC on the other panel. And join. Slip stitch to the next single crochet on the other panel. So we are going to join with on the go method. You can also make a strip of HTCs worked in the third loop and join them separately. Now place one half double crochet each in each of these 20 chains. Yeah. This is the first we need to work. Ensure that you don't twist the pieces. So it's better to place it on a flat surface and work for a few rows. So complete placing the half double crochets in each of the 20 chains. I shall also complete and get back. So these HTCs are being placed on the wrong side. Row 2 is the wrong side. Let me complete and get back. I have placed my 20th single crochet. Now slip stitch to the second stitch here. We started from the second stitch of this other side. Now to make the next row, slip stitch to the next stitch on the panel. Turn your work. Now we are going to work on the right side. This yarn has to go behind. Yarn over. Place your half double crochets in the third loop. See, for HTCs you have 1, 2 and the third loop is behind. So we need to place our HTCs in the third loop so that we get the V stitch in front. Into the third loop. Into the third loop. The third loop is behind the half double that we did. So I am placing my stitches in the loop behind here. See, we have 1, 2 and 3, and into this loop place your half doubles. Into this, into this, into this. So you place your half doubles in the third loop of the previous row HDCs. In each of them, place the HDCs, complete the row and get back. I've placed my 20th half double into the last stitch. Now it's time to slip stitch to the single crochet on the other panel, slip stitch into the next single, turn your work. Now we're going to work on the wrong side. Here you need not work in the third loop. You can make an ordinary half double. Into each of the 20 half doubles that we worked in the previous row. So you can work in this way, or there is one more option that will give a better finish. You can work in that manner too. Place a half double in the back 2 loops. See, every half double will have 3 loops. So 1, 2 and 3. When we worked in this manner, in this direction, we have the first loop, second loop and the third loop behind. So when you're working in the reverse direction, in the wrong direction, you can place your half doubles into the front 2 loops that is facing you. So I'll make it slow for you. Place your stitches in these 2 loops. The third loop will be here. This will give a better look for your finished product. So I'll make a few more stitches. See? Continue placing your stitches. I shall complete and get back. So I place my last half double. Now it's time to slip stitch to the single crochet and join. Slip stitch to the next single, turn your work. Now we will be working the right side. So when working the right side, we place our half doubles in the third loop of half double of the previous row that is behind the stitch. so that V shape is created in the front. The pattern is repeating rows 3 and 4 till you reach the other end. Till you reach this end, keep repeating rows 3 and 4. Like we did first chain, if we take it as the first row, then we did an HTC row, that is a second row, which is the wrong side. In the third row we did our HTCs into the third loop, and in the fourth we made HTCs in the front 2 loops of the previous row HTCs. So repeat these 2 rows till you reach the other end. Okay, I shall also complete and get back. I shall make 1 or 2 more rows and get back to you. I have made a few repeats, and this is how the pattern looks, the side panel for the bag. So repeat these 2 rows continuously till you reach the other end. So make the pattern repeat till you reach the other end. I shall also complete and get back. Completed the side panel for the back by working the joins with on the go method of HDCs, working in the third loop and the front 2 loops facing you with a 2 row repeat pattern. Now don't fasten off at the end. We need to make 1 single crochet each. 1 single crochet each in each of the stitches all around on the top of the bag. So let's begin. Chain 1. This is not counted as any stitch. Make a single crochet. On every stitch we are going to place 1 single all around. This single crochet round gives a very good finish for the bag. At the end of the round of this single crochet, slip stitch join to the very first stitch and fasten off. I shall be back after I complete the join, and then let us make the cord for the bag. At the end of the round, I have slip stitched and joined, and now we can hide the yarn behind. Fasten off and hide the yarn behind. Now it's time for us to make the cord. The cord is very simple. Make a chain to the length of 40 inches, and make 1 single crochet row from the second stitch. So that should be sufficient for this bag, and this is how it is attached to the sides of the bag. It is sewed onto the sides of the bag. Okay, I shall finish the cord and get back to you. You can make either a chain to the length of 40 inches and make single crochets starting from the second chain all through, or you can make the chainless foundation single crochets to the length of 39 inches. Okay, so the option is yours. Make the cord and get back. After making the cord, I have sewed them on both the sides. That's it, friends. And then made a small loop and attached on one side of the bag in the middle, and added a small crocheted button. You can add an ordinary button too, and this has a better finish. Yeah, here we go. And you can add lining, give it to the shop and get it lined too. This bag is originally lined. It has been given to the professionals and we got the lining done for it, inside lining. Thank you friends for viewing the small effort of ours. Hope you liked it. If you really liked our project, please do click on the like button, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified of all the videos we upload on and off. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye for now. Happy crocheting.